I moved into this house about 2 months ago. Yeah, about 3 months ago. And I decided to find Citizens of Fireplace. And obviously on the first video, I've opened it all up, took all the plaster off of there. Now I am getting the bricks clean. So I'm using this grinder. I've just started using it. And the smoke alarm kept going off, so I've had to cover it. So I'm just going to keep using this now. Going to get all the plaster off and the muck off the bricks, so I'll clean them up. Well, still loads to go. This is hard work. If you really want to take your plaster off your bricks, really make sure that you're ready to prepare for the hard work, because it is hard work. And it's not just like, it's all the dust and the mess and everything. I mean, obviously it is going to be worth it. It's very time consuming, but I've got to carry on. So, I've got all the plaster out. Just got to do this side. See, it's so dusty in here. And next, I've got to point it. So I said I'd do part 2. So with my grinder, at the moment it keeps cutting out on me. I don't know if it's getting too hot. So I've sanded all the plaster off the bricks. And now what I'm doing is I'm taking all the plaster out between the bricks so I can repoint it. These bricks here, I'm going to have to replace because they're quite damaged. I don't know why I just put these wood things in the fireplace. Any comments would be great, because I have no idea why the wood's there. So yeah, I've been literally doing it all day. It's really hard work and it's really dusty. So I'm just going to show you now a bit of a demonstration of what I'm doing. So I'm using the grinder high spec. These keep breaking, these discs. I don't know why. They're the right discs for the grinder. I've checked. I've literally been wearing 3 dust masks because it's that dusty in here. If you look at the floor, how dusty it gets. It's all over the place. It's literally everything. So I advise you, if you're ever going to do this, I advise you to literally empty your living room and put your old covers over your furniture and stuff.